My name is Ann Kish, and I am with the Family Support Team for the Lethbridge School Division. And we are just making some end-of-the-year food hampers. It's been a really difficult year for a lot of families, and a lot of the food supports that were available in the community have stopped because as we're coming out of a pandemic, those supports have stopped. And so a lot of families are struggling right now. And so as a lead into summer, for the difficult year that it's been, we made up food hampers for 43 different families in our division. And there's some wonderful pantry staples, meat, fresh fruit, vegetables, just a lot of things to help your family keep going, as well as some fun stuff like freezies and ice cream to make sure that you have a good summer.